Hey guys, welcome back. So I had an opportunity to come back to East Deer where we did the LED upgrade, and I didn't get a chance to show you how we did the controls for their overhead bars. So obviously we installed a 4200 Mini. It is located top left corner, as you can see, of the driver's compartment. So this has the ability to give them many controls. Oh man, if this camera would just focus, we'd be okay. Sorry about that. So you can't tell, this button is marked red. So what that does is they wanted the ability to keep the white running. They do a lot of accident calls, so that was an option that they requested. So when you hit this button, obviously in normal response mode, I'll show you here that the light bars are exhibiting red and white. As you can see, this is their normal response mode. These are the patterns that they picked out. As you can also tell, we have a 60-inch Feniex Fusion in the front, and they have two Feniex light bars on either side, all done with custom brackets. So this is their normal response mode. These are the patterns that they had chosen. So now I'm going to show you that when we push the red button up here in the corner, that obviously disengages all the white and takes it all three bars to displaying red only. Of course, as per NFP standards, when you arrive on a scene, you're supposed to automatically remove the white from all your emergency lights. Okay, so we're back here in the controller. Now, they wanted to set their full flood options up for independent controls. They wanted basically like a left alley, right alley, and also the frontal flood controlled all separate. So being the Mini 200 and all the features on the Feniex bars, we were definitely able to do that. So what we'll do is we'll leave
1124.
We'll leave all red on, and then we'll show you front flood. Obviously on the garage door you can see all white to the front. Now of course you can't see the left bar, but they have, now we have full white flood to the front. The side bars are still running the red. Okay, so if we turn off front flood and go to left flood, that returns the front light bar to warning and engages the all white flood to the left bar. As you can see, front bar is back to the all red warning, and then you have a white full flood slash alley feature to the left. Okay, so if we turn off their left flood, that will return that Mini back to an all red warning display. And we'll go with the right flood, and we'll show you that. Okay, so here we are on the passenger side of the cab, and as you can see, the passenger side Fusion Mini is displaying all white, full flood slash alley, with the other two still set at a all white warning, or all red warning, excuse me. And So here we also have, well, let's show you the full flood to the front. As you can tell from the passenger side, the passenger side Mini is all white, the 60-inch in the front's all white, and you can't tell yet, but the driver's side one is white as well. Full flood steady burn. So here's the full frontal view. You can tell that that passenger side Mini is full white. Steady burn white on the front, 60-inch, and the driver's side as well. Now, of course, all three of these bars were set up with empty modules to the rear because of the air conditioners and the rear compartment cab that houses the firefighters. Okay, so back in the cab, I am going to turn off the full front flood. We're going to return the light bars to red and white. Now the other option that we gave them, not sure if it'll focus, is we gave them a flash pattern change button so they could change it on the fly. Now, the way this is set up is, you'll notice there is a Fusion Mini button down here. If they press that button and they change the patterns, they can change the patterns on just the two Mini Fusions. And they can also dedicate the patterns to change just for the 60-inch in the front as well. So there you have it, guys. Pretty interesting, all the features that can be incorporated. Obviously there's much more that you can do with this equipment. We have done everything from engaging the apparatus doors, opening and closing, to input and output, and change different features. So if you're interested in a build like this, and you like what you see, you like the professionalism in our building and fabrication and on-site installation, you can always get a hold of us. 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs here in Pittsburgh, PA. Our phone number is 412-708-6732. You guys can also visit us on the web at www.eliteledwarnings.com, or you can always email our staff at 412psecustoms@gmail.com. Make sure you spell customs with a K and a Z. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, be safe out there.